Hi everybody, this is Miss Sophia back, and I have a special edition unboxing. Received my new iPhone XS Max, I believe it's called, in the mail, and I started to open it, but then I was like, no, let me get this on camera. So I got the iPhone in the I believe it's called the Space Gray, and this is what it looked like on the back. I haven't programmed it yet, but this is what it looked like. I haven't started using it yet, that's what I meant to say. And of course, with the iPhone, you get this little charger, which I'm very disappointed in. They should have gave us a bigger charger with a phone that's this powerful. But and you get your power cord, and you get your set of earbuds. So this is going to be a quick video. I just want to come and show what the Space Gray look like, because I know everybody is getting the gold. And my son is recording me right now, actually, off his new phone, and it's in the gold. And but I wanted to get the black. I know the gold, everyone gets that color, so you'll know, oh, I got the new iPhone. But I wanted to get the not the black, it's the Space Gray. And again, this is what it looks like. And I'm not going to use it until my phone case come in the mail, because I'm scared to use it, because I know they say this costs like $400 or $500 if you crack it to replace it. And once again, it comes with your standard accessories that they give you, but really they need to up this, because this is just not enough to charge your phone fast with this kind of power. But anyway, I just want to come on camera and show my new phone, and this is what I'll be recording off as soon as I get my new case. Okay, thank you for watching. Comment below if you have the new iPhone as well. Have a good day.